In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your invoices efficiently using our platform. Whether you're managing accounts, keeping track of business transactions, or simply need a detailed record of your sales, these steps will help you accomplish that with ease. Let's dive right into it. First, you want to navigate to the Sales section located in the left sidebar of your dashboard. This section houses all your sales data, so head over there and then look for the option labeled Invoices. Once you've found and selected it, you'll be directed to a page that displays all your invoices. Next, turn your attention to the top right corner of this page. There, you'll find the More icon. It's a handy tool that offers additional functionality. Go ahead and give it a click. You'll see a drop-down menu appear with several options. From this list, select Export Invoices. This is going to kick off the process for exporting the data you need. A pop-up window will appear, prompting you to fill in some specific details. The first field you'll notice is labeled Module. This will automatically be set to Invoices, as it's the module you're currently working with. Now, you'll need to decide on the status of the invoices you wish to export. This could range from draft invoices, sent, paid, or any other status available based on your accounting needs. After that, you'll need to select a date range for your export. This is crucial, especially if you're only interested in invoices from a particular period, such as a specific fiscal quarter or month. Use the provided date selection tool to set the parameters that fit your requirements best. Next up is the export template. If you've previously saved a template with your preferred fields, you can select it from here. If you need something customized, just click the plus New Template option to create one from scratch. This way, you can tailor which fields you want to be included in your export, ensuring you have all the necessary information. Moving along, you'll see an option for decimal format. This allows you to choose how you'd like the currency displayed. Options typically include formats like 2 decimal points or none, catering to different accounting practices or personal preferences. The next step is to decide on the export file format. Choices commonly offered include CSV, XLS, or XLSX. Consider what works best with the software or system you'll be using later. Compatibility is key, so choose a format that aligns well with your future use cases. Finally, there's an option to password protect your exported file. This is particularly useful if your invoices contain sensitive information, and you want to ensure that only authorized personnel can access it. Enter a secure password if you choose to enable this feature. Once all these preferences have been set to your liking, click Export to initiate your download. Your file will begin downloading promptly, ready for you to use as needed. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to exporting your invoices efficiently and securely. I hope this has been helpful, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.